In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Google Play Store keeps stopping. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix background glitches or system errors that cause the Play Store to crash. After restarting, open Play Store. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is clear cache and data. For that, press and hold on the Play Store app. Now click on the option App Info. Now scroll and head over to the option Storage. Click on the option Clear Cache. Likewise, click on the option Clear Data. Next, update or reinstall Play Store. For that, what you will need to do is head back. Now, click on the option Uninstall Updates. This will reset Play Store to its factory version. Then open it again, it will automatically update to the latest version. Likewise, check Internet and Date and Time settings. For that, launch your Settings app. Now, head over to the option General Management. Click on the option Date and Time. Make sure you have enabled for the option Automatic Date and Time. Likewise, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. That's it. These are some fixes for Play Store keep stopping. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.